We finally made it to Atlanta, Hyatt Place. Let's take a look at the hotel. This Hyatt Place is located in the Buckhead neighborhood of Atlanta. We got the standard king size room. Here, as you can see, is a sink with a fridge. Let's see how big the fridge is. Okay. Fridge is a pretty nice size. Let's see nothing's underneath here, but the sink, coffee maker. They don't have any plastic cups, but they got the real cups for you if you want your coffee or whatever drink. Nice mirror. Little desk area. And what I do like about this area is for the garbage, they actually have plastic bags. I've been seeing as of late, they really don't have any plastic bags, which I'm not a fan of when it comes to going to hotels, but this hotel does, which is really nice. Here's the living room area. Nice LG TV. Oh, I didn't even notice this. They have really nice cups that you can use, I guess, if you want to drink. And this is the ice bucket that you can use. This is a nice setup. Here is the bedroom area with the king size bed. On this nightstand, you have a charge port with 2 areas where you can charge your phone or any other electronic devices. And on this nightstand is just a basic regular clock. There are no other outlets on this side for you to charge up your phone, so they have to be done in this area. Here's the view from our hotel room, and as you can see, you don't see much other than the other apartment building. When it comes to the bathroom area, we've got this nice sink with a Kennett MD hair care, Kennett MD skincare, Kennett MD. I've never heard of that brand before, but that is what some of the toiletry products are that they have if you have forgotten your own. On this side, what I really love is the full-length mirror that it looks like there is, an extra pillow, closet space with an ironing board, place to set your luggage. So there is that. Okay, and then here's I really love all of the mirrors in here. There's a bathroom mirror, there's another mirror too. So you can really see your outfits at all angles. And then here's the toilet. Looks like they used up part of the other toilet paper. I don't necessarily like that when it comes to going to hotels. I just want the brand new toilet paper, but the shower, walk-in shower. And there you have it. Here is Hyatt Place in Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia. Make sure to like like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.